Oh, you got to look cool, huh? Okay. Take that long red switch in the bottom.
This?
All the way in the bottom. Nope, nope. Well, yeah, push it down. Push that down. And then look on the, in between, like close to the, nope, below that. Turn that to your left.
Left?
You're right. And that's it. Just start it up.
Start it up?
Yeah.
Where?
The key.
Key.
Yep. Like a car. Oh, wait a minute. Something's missing. Something's missing. Pull the handlebars back in towards you. Okay, now you can start it up. Nope. Okay, now turn the key. Push the brake. Nope. That one on the side, right here. Come forward. Nope. This way. Come this way.